If you are into Ferrero Rocher, but looking for something a bit healthier that has less sugar and more protein, you have got to try these delicious protein energy balls. Trust me, they are simply irresistible. To whip up these scrumptious protein energy balls, begin by toasting 1 cup of hazelnuts in the oven at 374 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. This step not only enhances their flavor of the hazelnuts, but also makes the skin peel off. Once the hazelnuts are toasted, set a small portion aside and put the rest of them in a food processor along with 8 pitted dates. Then add 3 heaping tablespoons of oats or oat flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 2 tablespoons of your favorite protein powder, and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Then, blend all the ingredients together until the mixture reaches a smooth consistency, ideally with a firm yet slightly sticky texture that is easy to shape. Next, grab a portion of the mixture and shape it into a small disc. Place a hazelnut in the center and then gently roll it into a ball. This recipe should give you about 7 protein balls. Freeze them while making the chocolate coating. Next, finely chop the remaining hazelnuts and melt some dark chocolate. Combine them together, then use this mixture to coat the protein balls. There is technically one more step after this, but I often find myself enjoying these chocolate-coated delights one by one as soon as they are ready. If you can resist the temptation, once they are covered in chocolate, place the protein balls in the fridge for an hour to set and harden. I have left a link to the complete protein balls recipe and additional helpful tips in the description below. Check it out now.